And the king shall join thy strength, and in thy salvation, how greatly shall he rejoice. Woo. And Jah say it's life, so no more war and strife. That's the only way to stay above and take your feet from the mud. And Jah say it's life, so no more war and strife. It's time for truth and right. Keep on shining your light. I was born a thug, I would take my slug and shed your blood. But the most I had sent is love, and it's around my heaven like a dove. Now it makes me strong, I'm not nervous. As a black man I gotta find my true purpose. Pay respect to the elders, it's courteous, and to the little children be courteous. And Jah say it's life, so no more war and strife. That's the only way to stay above and take your feet from the mud. And Jah say it's life, so no more war and strife. It's time for truths and rights. Keep on shining your light. If doing good, there is no other way. The good you do leads you to another day. Oh please, read your Bible every day and listen what the rest of man really got to say. And Jah say it's life, so no more war and strife. That's the only way to stay above and take your feet from the mud. And Jah say it's life, so no more war and strife. It's time for truths and rights. Keep on shining your light. Some people know being stupid, just dying themselves. Guns, bombs, disease, drugs, destroying themselves. Seems they've got no joy within themselves. I pray almost die every day for them to find themselves. Keep doing good, there is no other way. The good you do leads you to another day. Oh please, read your Bible every day and listen what the rest of man really got to say. And Jah say it's life, so no more war and strife. That's the only way to stay above and take your feet from the mud. And Jah say it's life, so no more war and strife. It's time for truths and rights. Keep on shining your light. And Jah say it's life, so no more war and strife. That's the only way to stay above and take your feet from the mud. And Jah say it's life, so no more war and strife. It's time for truths and rights. Keep on shining your light.
Just make yourself prepare, I'm traveling over borders and frontier. I and I night just here. What's enough? Get a youth. There is no time to guys. Some come for story to try corrupt for Bingy man create yo. Tell them change them ways. Bingy youth no hurry up, now come yourself you waste out your days yo. No see so them are guys. Them come for story to try corrupt for Bingy man create yo. Tell them change them ways. Bingy youth hurry up because I King Selassie. Ethiopia see now stretch out. To King Selassie I no more rocking on the boat. Things are get ready on the western coast. Enough of them are dead, you might think say a joke. Them have the money and still them can't float. I come to separate the sheep from the goat. Looking at the heap to see how about it out. Give them the chalice and them end up a talk. Can't bunny earth, them run guns not coke. If I the fire then who want the smoke. Give the youth the culture cause I eat me and promote. Them must come together Rastafari and no joke. No take no talk. You know see so them on haze. Them come for story talk and corrupt what the Bingy man create yo. Tell them open up them eyes. Get a youth to no hurry up because I King Selassie man I praise yo. You know see so them on case. Them come for story talk and corrupt what the Bingy youth create yo. Selassie open every gate. Bingy youth to no hurry up because me not come here. Be still coming know them gone. Jackie there me plant food and corn. The youths come first and me no left it farm. I till the dead them want make them a scorn. Babylon be still allow me make me go on. Up on the hill no dirty work me no perform. Sure them your journey get redder than warm. The youth stop cut all the slave master land. the money in our palm. We not and calm. We not say so them are guys. Them come for story top and corrupt what the bingy man create, yo. Tell them change them ways. Bingy youth no hurry up, no come yourself you waste out with days, yo. We not say so them are guys. Them come for story top and corrupt what the bingy man create, yo. Tell them open up them eyes. Bingy youth no hurry up, no come yourself you. Do all the honor, give the youth the betterment. Educate them right, feed them upliftment. I no settlers, no give I no settlement. I run the police, this a bigger judgment. What's the result from your conference? No solution, you confuse you and your friends. Babylon last, come to one end. Babylon the fight, going down again. Lightning message, slap England. Burn them to assist them a pollute a land. Lightning message up in a the Pentagon. Find them a fight for King Selassie position. Take them your message to the Ethiopian. Tell them Emperor Selassie is the almighty man. Lightning message for every nation. To King Selassie I boast the generation. Me tell them say, you know see some them a case. Them come for story top and corrupt what the bingy man create, yo. Tell them change them ways. Bingy youth no hurry up, no come yourself in guys out for days, yo. You know see some them a case. Them come for story top and corrupt what Selassie I create, yo. Tell them open up them eyes. Bingy youth no hurry up, cause a King Selassie. Yo Ethiopia now stretch forth. To King Selassie I no more rocking on the boat. Things are get ready on the western coast. No for them a sink, nothing say a joke. Babylon full of money and still them can't float. I come to separate the sheep from the goat. Looking at the heap to see how who about it out. Give them the chalice and them end up a talk. Can't take the herbs, them run gus not coke. If fire the fire then every time.
Gonna boss inna the streets again. And now who them a blame? Ah boy, see things get hard. Inna jam down again. And now who them a blame? No the youth them not the ghetto. Babylon fill out the ghetto youths them. They make it hard, sir. If them never set it, so the ghetto youths them wouldn't want, sir. Want, sir. Yeah, now the ghetto. Babylon fill out the ghetto youths them. They make it hard, sir. If them never set it, so the ghetto youths them wouldn't want, sir. Want, sir. Sometimes the system don't get the story right. And that's why sometimes they take innocent lives. Whoa. I tell you some of the things that happen in the streets are provoked to the system, set them up to do it. And when things get out of hand, they get a youth wear the brand. As bad man in the ghetto, Babylon fill out the ghetto youths there now. They make it hard. If them never set it, so the ghetto youths them wouldn't want her. Want her. For the weak, yeah, showing proof. Got it, hearted. Right here in the ghetto, Babylon below the ghetto youths them now. They make it hard, sir. If them never set it, so the ghetto youths them wouldn't want her. Want her. Right here in the ghetto, Babylon below the ghetto youths them now. They make it hard, sir. If them never set it, so the ghetto youths them wouldn't want her. Want her. Police and bad man in the streets. Rasta man I love how they meet and greet. No man not talk, just gonna talk. Blood stand run on cha-cha, it hurt me heart. Sure. Babylon fill out the ghetto youths there now. They make it hard, sir. If them never set it, so the ghetto youths them wouldn't want her. Want her.
Them and them live up. Hey. We'll get the youth to come for live up. Live up. Live up, we don't have no time to give down, we come for build. Yo, and tell the ghetto youth they can accomplish what they will. We not come for broke down, we come for build. The youth that come for lose and them now go join nil. Whoa, we not come for broke down, we come for build. And stop all the unnecessary blood where you spill. Whoa, we not come for broke down, we come for build. And make the ghetto youth know say them fi have a skill. Whoa, just teach the youth them fi propel, and teach them how fi buy, and teach them how fi sell, and never cast them away, not send them soul to hell. Oh, you not gonna like it when the youths them are rebel. Anyway, just give them hopes and joy. They could be girls or boys, yeah. Never treat them like a toy. Now turn them in a rude boy. So me say, we don't come for broke down, we come for build. Yo, get a youths well, you can accomplish what you will. Why? We don't come for broke down, we come for build. Rise above the mountain and rise above the hills. Yo, we don't come for broke down, we come for build. And tell the ghetto youth say them no figure John and Hill. Cause every ghetto youth me say them have to have them skill. Whoa mama, I go put your name up on the wheel. But anyway, you still can't cool nor chill. You have to remember, say the earth a figure till, the food a figure plant. You have to have your skill. Why? I never get crushing on the mill. Wow! We not come for broke down, we come for build. Until they get to use them can accomplish what them will. Hey, we not come for broke down, we come for build. We not want to see no more innocent blood a spill. Whoa, we not come for broke down, we come for build. Yo, tell the youth say them fi always have them skill. Yo, we not come for broke down, we come for build. Yo, I'ma tell you them something again. Hey, you wanna tell them something? Get to you, sure. Just rise above the mountain, and your blessing cannot be counted. Your seed flowing like the fountain. Oh, ha. Hey, tell them this again, me tell them sin. Well, them for rise above the sea. High, get a youth and be the best you can be. Whoa, and praise His imperial majesty. Always have love and all humility. So me say again, then rise above the water and love your son and daughter. Give them joy and love with brother. Make sure you have some love in your heart. Whoa. Me know enough now go listen when me a talk, because them full of evil thought and them full of witchcraft. The whole of them love to see the youth them a skylark. They never help the homeless them on the sidewalk. Whoa. We don't come for broke down, we come for build. And they get to use them can accomplish what them.
From you see the woman them start wear pants and stop wear skirts. Things gone to the dirt. From you see some man start wear blouse and stop wear shirts. Why, earth alert. From you see the woman them start wear pants and stop wear skirts. Things gone to the dirt. From you see some man start wear blouse and stop wear shirts. Oh, signs of the time. Open your eyes, step acting right. Too much a crime in this time. The fulfillment of prophecy. Be careful, mankind. We got to change the game of life we play. Only we can make a brighter day. Think of where the children stay. They need a holiday. People should see each other as people, yeah. And live in love and not evil. Oh, in this time and in this season. Oh, look what's happening today. Earth alert. For you see the woman then start wear pants and stop wear skirts. Things gone to the dirt. For you see some man start wear blouse and stop wear shirts. Why, you earth alert. For you see the woman then start wear pants and stop wear skirts.
Things gone to the dirt. For you see some man start wear blouse and stop wear shirt. Why do people keep living this way? Tired to see my people dying every day. Confusion and illusion got to chase them away. Who's gonna shine the light to make a brighter day? And show some mercy, show some love. I hear my people crying out loud, 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 earth alert. For you see how the man them start with pants and stop risking. Things gone to the and I go do that, you will do that, and no you that, and no true that, me no believe in that. Damn, that no funny. Who that and I go do that, you will do that, and no you that, and no true that, me no believe in that. Damn, that no funny. Youths of today, they are using their head back away. Easily influenced to other things they say. True, they don't have no direction. They turn to the guns. And as them turn to the gun, a mother ban a belly and ban out to war. I would that and I go do that, you will do that, and no you that, and no true that, me no believe in that. Then that no funny. Who that and I go do that, you will do that, and no you that, and no true that, me no believe in that. Then that no funny. Damn, that not funny. Damn, that not funny. Them say nothing nah go on out the road. It not pretty. Nothing nah go on in the streets. Things sticky. Anywhere they sitting, that they set them a go free. Seems like the mental disease for the success plaguing the people. Them brain like an obsess. Things like these at times cause civil unrest. I would that and I go do that, you will do that, and no you that, and no true that, and I believe in that. Damn, that not funny. Who that and I go do that, you will do that, and no you that, and no true that, and I believe in that. Damn, that not funny. Damn, that not funny. Damn, that not funny. And stop destroying the universe, killing all the future, misleading the children, and separate each other. Stop showing the youth some lewd movies. You're mixing up their brain. What's about the future? Are you just playing a game? Who that say I go do that, you will do that, and no you that, and no true that, and I believe in that. Damn, that not funny. Who that say I go do that, you will do that, and no you that, and no true that, and I believe in that. Damn, that not funny. Damn, that not funny.
No. Yeah. No.
Peetah Morgan,
Tell me, how I and I feel survive when you make it hard again? How the youth them figure school when you win on the money fi spend? How the crime rate figure down when you import the gun them? And street life hard, my friend, yeah. Blood sucking vampires, yo, it's all about them. All when the youths are ball for food, them careless, my friend. Separation to a nation, generation X, my friend. Now why you not go end? Hey, cause it's unfair to we. You say that you love and say you care for we. A false promises you come to preach to we. Cause all I can see is poverty, slavery guaranteed. It's unfair to we. You say that you love and say you care for we. A false promises you come to preach to we. Cause all I can see is poverty, slavery guaranteed.
Them no know how we youths go to school now college facing collateral damage. Them no know how we find the oats we put in the pot and boil little porridge. Them no know how we hustle hard, forget the little gungo plus the little cabbage. Them no know how we manage. Them no know say that's why the youths go so savage. Them no know say when we are hustle hard in the street, I fi carry on do a can't still a beat. Them no know say more time when we are run about chicken back outside in a beat. Them no know about cassava, the quarter, the half a bird. Them no care if we son or we daughter, they're the mark and heritage. Sinkers right now, poor people out
of bed. It's unfair to we. You say that you love and say you care for we. False promises you come to preach to we. Cause all I can see is poverty, slavery guaranteed. It's unfair to we. You say that you love and say you care for we. False promises you come to preach to we. Cause all I can see is poverty, slavery guaranteed. But still them non-stop with China, unemployment line. We all go hustle non-stop because we're born in the struggle. Watch them, I try figure we out. Oh, them not get we out.
Yo, the big guys put tax on tax, but that not okay. Then them relax like that is okay. Them even tax a box, a cigarette tax box. Poor people left them in a debt. Them no care which part the youth sleep. Them no care where poor people find food for eat. Cause if a pan for them property, we are good with them jail, we are kick, we are street. Alright then, it easier to get robbed than get a job. Easy to grab a bag than turn your one a doorknob, yeah. So when the youths them lay down on the sidewalk, I know them are the system of skylark.
Yo, it's unfair to we. You say that you love and say you care for we. False promises you come to preach to we. Cause all I can see is poverty, slavery guaranteed. It's unfair to we. You say that you love and say you care for we.
While the rich man happy cry.
Make we reason from the top. You know, see the government them out to start on the clocks because the price are shocking. Use them ready to attack. Cause I live in no more use them can't bother with that. Oh gosh, you know, system and not it narrow. You jealous and you mark them overload. You know, system and not it narrow. No, you jealous and you mark them well overload. You know, system and not it narrow. You jealous and you mark them overload. You know system and a dead road. No, you jealous and you mark them well overload. Tell you the reason why so much man a die. Money start to make and people start to get rid of. Corruption and bad mind, envious all the time. Just see your son knows all in front his eyes. Oh, he got dwelling only vanity and no love for humanity shall fade away. Juna Milestone say, oh, you know system and not it, you know. You jealous and you mark them overload. You know system and not it, road. Now you jealous and you mark them well overload. You know system and not it, road. You jealous and you mark them overload. You know see Savannah, you know see Savannah, yeah, that road. Say pull it up now and make we reason from the top. You know see the government them out to start on the crops because the price are shocking. Use them ready to attack. Cause I live in no more use them can't bother with that. Oh gosh, you know see Savannah, that road. You jealous and you mark them overload. You know system and a dead road. No, you jealous and you mark them well overload. You know system and a dead road. You jealous and you mark them overload. You know system and a dead road. No, you jealous and you mark them well overload. Tell you the reason why so much man a die. Money start to make and people start to get rid of. Corruption and bad mind, envious all the time. Just see your son knows all in front his eyes. Oh, he that dwelling only vanity and no love for humanity shall fade away. Juna Milestone say, oh, you know system and not dead, you know. You jealous and you mark them overload. You know system and not dead road. Now you jealous and you mark them well overload.
Me now watch no face, beg no more pardon. Enough drugs, money they a cherry garden. Enough individual society applauding. You can ask anybody where them get them starting.
But no politician take a donation. So no criminal will never see a station. Never see a cell, not even a courthouse. But every Sunday we see them take a boat out. North Coast Resort and car dealership. The construction company, them just don't legit. Usually wash the money, turn it round and hide it. When the kickback them come in, the government delighted. So police cancel operation, cause no real bad man a go station. Now if you check the situation, a blood money running nation. Come take a look in a Jamaica. Injustice in the place now. If what you see no really face you, then you are the problem what we face though. Was about to buy a next 60 now. Maybe then I never have to be a prisoner. Maybe then I coulda not turned in my firearm. Police couldn't come remand, come me like me run an army. Was about to be a politician too. Maybe then I coulda make any decision. Look, maybe then I make 100 million disappear. Then me act like me no care what you vote me back in there. Because this sad reality. In a Jamaica say your status or your salary. Man the road a carry one whole heap of felony. But them have a family, a boost up the economy. So, police cancel operation, cause no real bad man a go station. Now if you check his situation, a blood money running nation. Come take a look in a Jamaica. Injustice in the place now. If what you see no really face you, then you are the is out of many, but a one set of people feeling it. How that real society you agree to this? Things are revealed, the garbage, the machine spit. No smoke screen, a river and no conceal it. Now the system failing, the gap a get wider. A matter of time before a total divide, yeah. You cross the line, man, draw quick to remind you. If you build it on crime, then crime will have to find you. And that's how it's been always. That not frustrate you like it do to me. How much dead baby they over Jubilee? How much youths did 10 when them running at Tivoli? Now them 16 hard fry head fricassee. So, police cancel operation, cause no real bad man a go station. Now if you check the situation, a blood money running nation. Come take a look in a Jamaica. Injustice in the place now. If what you see no really face you, then you are the problem what we face too. And it's a Protoje, yeah. Chronixx are where you say, hey. Yeah. Okay.
Oh, yeah. Who knows? I just go where the trade wind blows, sending love to my friends and foes. And I suppose I'm pleased to be chilling in the West Indies. I provide all my wants and needs. I got the sunshine, rivers and trees. Release, hey.
When me see Jah, me see a way. Drastically straight from hypocrisy, I say, hey. Every man to them own a philosophy. I live the proper way and then me read a chapter daily. Man, they in a city hungry and no eat. And food they down a country, just a drop off of the tree then. You see, say poverty no real then, is what the reason revealing.
Who knows? I just go where the trade wind blows, sending love to my friends and foes. And I suppose I'm pleased to be chilling in the West Indies. I provide all my wants and needs. I got the sunshine, rivers and trees. Green leaves, yeah.
When the rain Peetah pot on the roof, herb just a steam pepper pot on the stew. Life is a dream if you got gratitude. So go tell the regime them can't stop what we do now. Information you think on your own, or else you're a slave to the things that you know. What do you know if you learn every day? So be careful of things where you say.
Who knows? I just go where the trade wind blows, sending love to my friends and foes. And I suppose I'm pleased to be chilling in the West Indies. Jah provide all my wants and needs. I got the sunshine, rivers and trees. Green leaves.
Africa in our soul, but a Jah in our heart. It is of importance for I and I gather. If we cannot show now a balance that we had, how do we propose then to carry it abroad? Cannot go to Ethiopia and you not have a plan. The building of a nation and a helper on. Every one a lover, one a man is just a man. It shall be a coronation when we land.
Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? I just go where the trade wind blows.
Yeah, man.
Sending love to my friends and foes.
Hello.
And I suppose
Hello.
I'm pleased to be chilling in the West Indies. I provide all my wants and needs. I got the sunshine, rivers and trees. Green leaves, well.
And I say we just
who
moving
knows,
on.
who knows?
Yeah, man.
Who knows, babe?
We just move with Jah every time.
I'm pleased
And give thanks,
to be
you know.
chilling in the West Indies.
You see that smile on
I
me, man.
provide all my wants and my needs, oh Dre. Oh well.
God good always live on, that's what I say. And the good you do live on tomorrow. Teflon representing to the fullest. My blessing, Richie. I've been waiting of this day to come. My blessing, I know I shall overcome. I'm like the trees by the waters where run. 4 seasons, through the air I blossom. I praise the King who for the rain shine the sun. Do evil, then you must go down. Good people, we stand up on solid ground. They take my weakness for granted, that's wrong. My blessing coming my way. No need to rush it, I say. I pray, my blessing coming my way. No need to rush it, I say. Just pray. More time I feel just like a bag just through the wind. When we see the stress and everything I keep it. We have to fight the fight, we know we have to win. Yo, me have to protect all my fitness savings. Life ain't no better roads. See them with vanity and them friend of ours. And real estate, you know own 10 of those. Check the money you spend and close. Mama ain't even send a rose. My blessing coming my way. No need to rush it, I say. I pray. My blessing coming my way. No need to rush it, I say. Just pray. Hey man, I work very hard, so me I forget it. And when me hold it, yeah, I with me all, me I protect it. And remember foundation in life, you have to set it. Now make the wicked man, them hold it and take it. But remember say, I do good, cause you love life. Live up good, live up right. We sustain, true no fight. My blessing coming my way. I told them already, I told them. You've got to fix why you broke. Oh, Jah will be my God, and Jah will be right by my side. I see the sell the soul too proud. Love is open, love is open. Whoa, and Jah will be my God, and Jah will be right by my side. I see they sell the soul for pride, but love is open, love is open. See them a tell me about them race, but Rasta man, yeah man will lead them. Brother they love not tell me nothing, me no pre-friend. Rasta man, we not go mix up with no heathen. See I the same I don't the Bible that defeat them. Oh, step it one away and leave them. Selassie, yeah, he must set the real trend. Real from the heart, me not pretend. Love about some of the seals, them tell them. Jah will be my God, and Jah will be right by my side. I see the sell the soul too proud. Love is open, and love is open. Whoa, and Jah will be my God, and Jah will be right by my side. I see the sell the soul for pride, but love is open, love is open. Hey, you better strong, hey, you better strong. Babylon are creeping and they moving like a second hand. Them kill veteran, them no set no plan. Every day a negative that you get up on, that you make up on. Them fight get up on. Hey, love leave your heart, you want check up on. Long time you sell your soul, you feel like suspend. They make no grand, but tell them Jah will be my God, and Jah will be right by my side. I see the sell the soul too proud. Love is open, love is open. Whoa, and Jah will be my God, and Jah will be right by my side. I see the sell the soul for pride, but love is open, love is open. See them a tell me about them race, but Rasta man, yeah man will lead them.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Hey, I sit up in Irie meditation, looking down in a Babylon. Nature come up with a new one to the people. Listen up now. Corruption out there, misleading the people out there. Too much demons out there, but I come to cut and clear. Corruption out there, misleading the people out there. Too much demons out there. Nature come to cut and clear. Hey, Lucifer, no put your foot in ya. If you a bull, but we are the conqueror. We not afraid of vampire, we kill Dracula. We have the silver sword and the pergamena. Enough of them a wind up in a mess like a pig. See the devil spinning them like a gig, but nature born and dirty lifestyle like acid. Mankind heart getting cold like a fridge. Corruption out there, misleading the people out there. Too much demons out there, but I come to cut and clear. Corruption out there, misleading the people out there. Too much demons out there. Nature come to cut and clear. Boss out. All them witch and wizard ways them go like said them blind and no have no ears. That's why them a fade, just a fade. Lost in a Babylon, no know themselves. Mash up in peer pressure, now get no ledger. System beat them like a sledge and hammer. But we come to conquer. We're calling on Jaja messengers. Corruption out there, misleading the people out there. Too much demons out there, but I come to cut and clear. Corruption out there, misleading the people out there. Too much demons out there. Nature come to cut and clear. I rise in the morning, read my Bible and pray on the King's highway. Rise in the morning, read my Bible and pray. I'm not go stray. Rise in the morning, read my Bible and pray on the King's highway. Rise in the morning, read my Bible and pray. I've no time to stray. Corruption out there, misleading the people out there. Too much demons out there, but I come to cut and clear.
Yeah, what?
I just imagine if I could smoke my herb in a peace without worry about it, the bowl I see. But I wonder for the world is gonna be. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. I'm tired of the system, don't wanna be no victim, no. Taking it slow. Draw for your whistle out, send for your match and then me under to Babylon, right down I'm in a rap, I'm in a sleep. In my daily meal, I work overtime 7 days of the week. The struggle is real, who know I who feel. So me have to respect who know about our school. Babylon land made a sinking sand. Now this truth are you truthfully damn. The ticks love create and fix it, say plan. To crack them with of manipulation. But give me little love, let me cool down me nerve. I'm tired of this system, don't wanna be no victim, no. Taking it slow, 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 slow. Draw for your raw, send for your match, and then they run dirty Babylon right down to a show. Yeah, yeah. Taking it slow, 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 slow. Babylon I work on with so much long gun, and I can't walk freely with my chillum. They wanna lick a split for them, I charge them some. And I said them want they bring from my out from the tongue. But lost them creating crime, coupled with the pampas amongst mankind. Where in my eyes don't cross the line, while playing judge and tourist in time. So me say give me little love, let me cool up me nerve. Tired of the system, don't wanna be no victim, no. Taking it slow, 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 send for our drum. Draw for your whistle, I'll send for your match, and then they run out to Babylon right down to our show. Yeah, yeah. Taking it slow, 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 slow. Yo, I will say solid as a rock with a butch not tick. For the youths where I seek, enough knowledge I ya leak. Be too long the same mistakes I repeat. A full time the country rise to its feet. Enough of these laws must be repealed for any progress to occur globally. I say even if a collie ain't your cup of tea, you gotta acknowledge what's reality. Marijuana never hurt nobody. It's all propaganda, laddie, daddy, daddy. Alcohol noxious but still legal, because it provide them so much capital. But I will remain rutical and frugal. Highly Selassie at the highest official. You could have buck bull or true metal. I'll never back down from none of your rascals. So I feel so wally, don't you try no folly. I ain't no criminal, I'm on no trouble nobody. My herb medicinal smoking ain't my hobby. You drink coffee, I and I smoke Cali. If you had a clue about one of it many use, you would advocate, not spread about abuse. Healing of the nation, that is the truth. Genesis 1:29 is my proof. So, give me a little air. You don't say. Now for them only member Joe in trouble packing up. Couldn't find the time to pray when them was stacking up. And now them commissary need a little tapping up. Every collect call cracking up. But Jah will never take you to what he can take you through. So all of it, shalom, salam. Ooh, yeah, yeah. Jah will never take you to what he can take you through. So all of it, shalom, salam. Yeah. Always stay above the influence, never be afraid to follow your conscience. Practice diligence and also persistence, cause you're twice defeated without confidence. Dark clouds won't last forever, but sometimes man's fate must be measured. Jah not always give you what you prefer, but it is always for the better. Jah will never take you to what he can take you through. So hold the faith, shalom, salam. Yeah, yeah. Jah will never take you to what he can take you through. So hold the faith, shalom, salam. Yeah. One man now stop, rain no fall pan. The grass in Tina on the other side that I can. One man now stop, rain no fall pan. But wisdom has taught us the power of a plan. No one feel hear you carelessly talking about the devil's tongue, following illusions and a dabbling around. I earnestly plead out you bow in Babylon. Redemption awaits in Zion. Jah will never take you to what he can take you through. So hold the faith, shalom, salam. Yeah. Jah will never take you to what he can take you through. Hold the faith, shalom, salam. Yeah. No for them only member Jah when trouble packing up. Couldn't find the time to pray when them was stacking up. Now them commissary need a little tapping up. And every call them make a leg seem to be cracking up. They had enough. They had enough. And them same one that go on like them tough. Now them realize that this is rough, and them a run to the Creator. Jah will never take you to what He can take you through. So hold the faith, shalom, salam. Jah will never take you to what
the devil away. So they say, so I do it anyway. These are the words I say every day. Before I strap up, I say, yo, Holy Father, the world is on a rampage. And before I step on my door, I bend my knees and pray. Give us strength to make it big today. Tomorrow I'll come with you again. Holy Father, the world is on a rampage. And before I step on my door, I bend my knees and pray. Give us strength to make it big today. Tomorrow I'll come with you again. Click clock, another gunshot. Nothing innocent lose them like through that, yeah. The wicked rejoice, yeah. The wicked rejoice. Still, I won't fear, because I know clear. Jah got my walk everywhere out there, yeah. That's why I rejoice, yeah. My prayer to Jah. Holy Father, the world is on a rampage. And before I step on my door, I bend my knees and pray. Give us strength to make it big today. Tomorrow I'll come with you again. Holy Father, the world is on a rampage. And before I step on my door, I bend my knees and pray. Give us strength to make it big today. Tomorrow I'll come with you again.
It's a daily routine to live in the dream. They simply take hold of our minds. I swear it begins because to lose control of the mind of the people is destruction to the matrix. Then the empire comes tumbling in. You see, we live in the times where evil men be on the rise, making war, taking lives, corrupted leaders, taking bribes. So keeping your soul revived is worth the risk. They'll put you in the twilight zone and you're right back where you
Holy Father, the world is on a rampage. And before I step on my door, I bend my knees and pray. Give us strength to make it big today. Tomorrow I'll come with you again. Holy Father, the world is on a rampage. And before I step on my door, I bend my knees and pray. Give us strength to make it big today.
Oh, this is King Yarden, got a son, yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, now listen. Pressure them. Who them I talk about? Pressure them. For people I call out. Pressure them. Oh, the youths them I stand firm. Pressure them. The revolution is confirmed, yeah. How come the ones with no vision keep making all these decisions, eh? They preach their tainted religion, constantly causing division. This is a roll call, yeah. We'll fight against the oppressive system. This is a roll call, yeah. Enough with the isms and schisms, yeah. We're not on their agenda. No, we see them as the great pretenders. Truth is their only contender. We simply can't afford to surrender. Yeah, the people want relief, and we're prepared to take it to the streets. Yeah, they think if they say peace, that suddenly the war will cease. This is our roll call. Yeah, we'll fight against the oppressive system. This is our roll call. Yeah. Enough with the isms and schisms, yeah. Yeah, pressure. Where we say pressure. We'll say again, pressure them. Who them I talk about? Pressure them. For people I call out. Pressure them. Oh, the youths them I stand firm. Pressure them. The revolution is confirmed.
fight for a who them defend. How them a fight with the sword or the pen. Who them a fight for a who them defend. How them a fight with the sword or the. It is a roll call, yeah. We'll fight against the oppressive system. This is a roll call, yeah. Enough with the isms and schisms. This is a roll call, yeah. There are times when you get down to your last dime. That is when you need a friend through your hard times. They make you promises that never fulfills till you got to pay your bills. But when you think it's over, that's when the landlord come over. Hold on, homies, keep your head up high. Hold on, everything's gonna be alright. Hold on, keep your head up high. Hold on, say everything's gonna be alright. Listen, never get discouraged from the good things that you do. It goes in a lifetime account for you. 'Cause I will stick through thick and thin and I'll do anything for you. And when you think it's over, that's when the landlord come over. Hold on, homies, keep your head up high. Hold on, ooh, 'cause everything's gonna be alright. Hold on, ooh, just keep your head. Hold on, hey, 'cause everything's gonna be alright. And we won't let you down. We won't let you down. My brethren, we won't let you down. We won't let you down. We said we won't let you down. So we won't let you down. I said we won't let you down. Oh, hold on. Ooh, homies, keep your head up high. Ooh, hold on. 'Cause everything's gonna be alright. Ooh, just keep your head. No, I say it again, yeah, you gotta. Ooh, yeah, you gotta hold on. Yeah, 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 yeah. You got to hold on. Oh, yes. No matter what you're going through, you got to hold on. Hey, 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 hey.
Fight against all, fight against side. Take up thy shield and buckler, stand up for thy name. They are cause if they don't got no sense, and I know them underparts pretends. Talk as if them are your closest friends, when them are your enemy and come and try bridge your current. Slandering and bad influence, scandal your name when them can't take your strength. Hypocrite and traitor, the whole of them are put on the pad that a bad mind flow them out and them are born innocent. Rastafari is Machel and defense, so when things broke loose, say a bigger judgment. Backstabbers and vampires them send to suck the blood of the children. Burn up the wicked and trod them out Zion. Rigged and rugged and need tough like iron. Burn up the wicked and trod them out Zion. Babylon your riches, cast round lion. In army turban and robe, Rastafari know me ready for the road. Sizzla, Kalonji, dash for the burden and load. Come clean, come good, me say come and get your burden. Give me more, nothing less. Lead the people with righteousness, yeah. Sizzla, Kalonji, bless. The voice of Rastafari break the cedars in the forest. Love and share, don't you forget. Me come for try the Rastafari, yeah, that's what I meant. Burn up the wicked and try the Mount Zion. Rigged and rugged, laughing tough like iron. Burn up the wicked and try the Mount Zion. Tell them, sir, me love the conquering lion, boy. So far away someday, yeah. Nothing good about black people, them a say, yeah. Aye, free up the captive them today, yeah. Repatriation.
compilation, I say, yeah. Hey, black people come the way, yeah. Help me keep this Sabbath day, yeah. Rastafari nah rap nah player. It must be love, nothing else can stay, yeah. Hey, read your Bible, go to youth and say your prayer. Rastafari come to live the people higher. Burn up the wicked and tread on Mount Zion. Wicked and rugged, you fit up like iron. Burn up the wicked and tread on Mount Zion. Sizzla, Kalonji, tell them the conqueror lion. No, cause if they don't got no sense. And I know them on the parts pretense, yeah. Cause if them are your closest friends, when them are your enemy, them come and try bridge your current. Slandering and bad influence. Scandal your name when them can't take your strength. Hypocrite and traitor, the whole of them put on top of that. A bad man full of them heart and them are one innocent terms. First of all, I is my shield and defense. When things broke loose, well, I'll be a judgmental. Backstabbers and vampires, them send to sun the blood of the children. Burn up the wicked and tread the Mount Zion. Wicked and rugged, you fit up like iron. Burn up the wicked and tread the Mount Zion. Emperor Selassie, Holy Emmanuel, Black Christ, for I and I, Marcus Garvey. Get the youths, they must suffer. Your treasure in your treasure, that wrong from a Babylon a meta. Get the youths, they must suffer. Your treasure in your treasure, that wrong from a Babylon a meta. Hey, love the youths that to me heart, feeling so magnified. Babylon so start come terrorize the vibes. The youths no got no freedom, then how them for strife. You still a ring your gun now, who responds with them life. The liquid runs from the cup, and things start to rub. You want to run away. You tell them stuff about so pen coming no say fi on the town. What you gonna say? You better leave them and not pray. Anyway, yo, the power of the Trinity, release the strength. This is the golden opportunity to go towards the mind. I live in Ethiopia, from Zion I reign, for I shall not pass this way again. All that I have is pure love. Babylon only come here so featuring blood. Ethiopia could never ever be in a the mud. Babylon I wash them and yet them so can't sod. The liquid now it runs from the cup, and things start to rub. You want to run away. You tell them stuff about some pen cup. Me no say fi on the top. What you gonna say? You want to need a man pray every day. You must suffer on your treasure, in your treasure. That's wrong from a John Paul a Major. Run. You must suffer, treasure in your treasure. That's wrong from his Bobby wrong a Major. The whole of them, in them states have shocked. Selassie is the Almighty. We not take back, not shot. Lion power, come crush every trap. All what they saw is blackness block. Lord of my host, keep I going strong. I going strong and all when me vibe. Me still a born Babylon, me a fi angle them cause. Cause nothing no wrong, nothing never X wrong. No pardon words from no mouth. This a judgment is just like bomb. Yo, get a youth, them a suffer. Treasure in your treasure, yo, that's wrong from a politician. Dead the so a major. The youth, them a suffer. Your treasure in your treasure, that's wrong from his Babylon a major. Yo, I know it run from the cup, and things start to rub. Them want to run away. I'm telling you, get to youth, see those up head cup. Yo, we don't wanna talk now. What you gonna say? We down and pray every day. Now they use them so magnified. Babylon so start come terrorize the vibes. The youth no got no freedom, then how them to strive. You still a bring your gun now, who responds for them life. The power of the Trinity, release the strength. This is the golden opportunity, go towards the mind. Me live in Ethiopia, from Zion I reign, for I shall not pass this way again. All I have is just pure love. Babylon only come here so featuring blood. Ethiopia could never ever be in a the mud. Babylon I wash them and them soap can't sod. Yo, get a youth, them a suffer. Treasure in your treasure, that's wrong from a Babylon wrong a meta. Run, youth, them a suffer. Treasure in your treasure.
Tell me about copyright 6 pants and now you kill the woman and she pregnant. Hey, murderer, cold-blooded murderer. Next time before your finger touch the trigger, Stop and think if you'd have shot your own mother. Murderer, cold-blooded murderer. Too much blood a run like river. Selassie, I say bless up for the longest liver. But see nowadays youth heartless. I build fear and money in a them thoughts. Yes, them and the devil in a contest. Cause them no work for be love nor God bless. So them a shatter when no take talk. If them shot you at Jamaica, you make headline in New York. But look how much life you write off. So all you sleep in your bed when it touch off. Tell me no murderer, cold-blooded murderer. Next time before your finger touch the trigger, stop and think if you'd have shot your own mother. Murderer, cold-blooded murderer. Too much blood a run like river. Selassie, I say bless up for the longest liver. You see you lurking a dark fi take your brother life. You run out a shot, you run go fi knife. You say fi murder people make you happy life, because killing is a part of your appetite. Me will want world one fi pop this tribe. Serial killer who the carbon copy type. I kill the innocent and that no right. And when we talk them say we too bright, because them a murderer, cold-blooded murderer. Next time before your finger touch the trigger, stop and think if you'd have shot your own mother. Murderer, cold-blooded murderer.
No matter where you try, all of my enemies gon' eat them condemnation. So that poverty is the trap, but not for me. Oh, my soul is clean and down that deep blue sea. Them can't catch me. Oh, we chat them a chat, keep them a yap. In my face, them can't chat back. Me them a watch, me them one chop. I them in a table eating what I don't you smile in my face. Mockingbird, you got to know your place. Not true, you see my smile, my laugh. I know every laugh I laugh. You hear poverty is a trap, but not for me. Oh, my soul is clean and down that deep blue sea. Them can't catch me. I am born to win, destined to be great, and none of them fool can make me lose my faith. I'm firm in my walk and I hold my head straight. And in the filthiness I don't participate. I am as I am through the grace of Jah. I got stone me come from, I'm a blessing can't stop poverty. Is the trap, but not for me. Oh, my soul is clean and down that deep blue sea. Them can't catch me. Real talk over religion is the spiritual. Talk them talk, what them don't take it literal. So divided and so dimensional. Unconditional love should be universal. All we see is our differences, burning down our cities and united we strong and divided we fall. You deaf, yeah, the youth them a ball. Poverty is the trap, but not for me. Oh, my soul
generations go by. We all got to realize that we can't sleep when it comes to the youth them lives. They keep killing out themselves, why? We got to make an intervention. Stand and agree, you and me. Say a prayer for the children. Let's groom them in love, restore and uplift them. No, we don't need no war. Say a prayer for the children. Let's groom them in love, restore and uplift them. Have to protect and preserve our youth. Wanna go out to a follow and a gang up. And before you know it, a beer gunshot, a bus. Place a turn into a gun town. Same so we see them, same way we have to show them right direction. Cause rain or fall, give me the say a prayer for the children. Let's groom them in love, and uplift them. We don't need no war. Say a prayer for the children. Let's groom them in love, restore and uplift them. Have to protect and preserve our youth. You see the way that we grow will be the life that they know, and the life that we live is an example. So we have to take the time. There's a whole heap of negative in the grapevine. So let's teach our youth the right way. Oh Father, we lift them up. You are the true vine. Jesus, we need you right now. The rain will fall, the rain will fall. Say a prayer for the children. Them in love, restore and uplift them. Restore, we don't need no war. Say a prayer for the children. Let's groom them in love, restore and uplift them. Say a prayer for the children. Let's groom them in love, restore and uplift them. We don't need no war. Say a prayer for the children.
Machel, Montano and Marlon, heritage.
Dedicated to the people.
Deep in my heart, yeah, I see love tearing me apart, oh Jah, I see love. I'm holding it back, oh, the tears I've got, yeah, it's hurting so much, oh, I see love, see love.
Should I turn my back and run away? Yeah. I live to see this another day. No, when it hurts so much. See mother and her children lose their life, innocent by the roadside. Oh, and all we want is justice. You see, because they promise me the love and we can't see that. They promise a solution, then they flee that. You promise better days, but we can't find that. You promise me a dream and then you blind that. So, what do we do now? What is the next move? Where do I go now? Where do we go from here? Tell me, who should I blame for all of this? Deep in my heart, oh gosh,
I see love tearing me apart, oh Jah, I see love. I'm holding it back, oh,
God. It hurts so much, yeah. I see.
Selassie lives in Wednesday after all flesh doesn't know that I remember that. And the true living God, everything. Sabotage and ambush is a part of that plan, but in this Gideon, oppressors keep me strong and never losing my focus and my meditation. Feed them faith, move mountains, I won't crush Babylon. They say what goes up must come down, but look for me in the heavens, cause I'm never hitting the ground. No, they're so afraid of my powers and sound. But my shanty never started as a clown. If you want me to fail, I will prevail. I'll never falter. Selassie me hail, black star line on me sail. Keep getting stronger. Tafara is the king, so I will praise him with wisdom and understanding. And if I should fight, it's a fight to the death. I'll be the last man standing. So be afraid, be very afraid. Cause me nah cut me locks and me nah go shave my beard. Hey, and Rasta urging the youths, be perfect in your trade. Cause once life dead, they end. You're an angel of Selassie, Bobo Shanti say, never stop try. Live and never die, most die. If they want me to fail, we'll still prevail. I'll never falter. Selassie me hail, the ancient of days, he gets stronger. I know the king, so I will praise him with wisdom and understanding. And if we should fight, I'll fight for my right. I'll be the last man standing. But the golden death stop, don't stop there. No, me not go turn you in a no gutter. No more bread and butter. Strictly I touch you up in a me dutchie, herbs up in a me coachie. And my offsprings will never go through what I went through. I've got to stay pure and good. Here's what I'll do, I'll never stop fighting. No. If you want me to fail, I'll still prevail. I'll never falter. Selassie me hail, black star line on me sail. Keep getting stronger. Tafara is the king, and so I will hail him with wisdom and understanding. If I should fight, it's a fight to the death. I'll be the last man standing. Last man standing. You can't stop this, nobody try. Last man standing.
The music signal. Hey, but you watch it out. You don't let them stop you. Hey, and step by step we take it. Simple with me things down, that's how me get it. And step by step we take it. The system of fight, but we still have to make it. Jaja guide I steps. Every move I make, so me free from scared. I keep. We take it one step at a time. No key on the hill, sleep to the top we a climb. We a trans can't stop, Ctonsyncro from shine. How we not stop work. Lyrics can't do another it will shine. No delay make a while the sun shine. If you want good you know it's a run sometimes. So me know I wanna tell me you're the big gun shine. A step by step we take it. Simple with me things down, that's how we get it. A step by step we take it. The system of fight, but we still have to make it. Jaja guide I steps. Every move I make, so me free from scares. I keep, and nothing never happened before the time yet. So if you're lost and yourself you're not fine yet, it's a positive move you better try make. Cause your queen time change like the climate. Alright. we heading. Globalizing, for music spreading. From rock to riches, them can't stop the trading. Now the table turn, we can't stop the begging. God knows, and step by step we take it. See me when me things don't act, how me get it. And step by step we take it. The system a fight, but we still have to make it come. Jaja guide I steps. Every move I make, so me free from stress. I keep slowly but surely, you'll all get to know me. Slowly but surely, giving Jah all her glory. Never lose the place, I lose the faith, yeah. I just this day. Brothers, when them know. Make note of this day. Make note of this day. I say, make note of this day. Forevermore. Oh yeah, oh yeah. We are here to stay. No powers or principalities will never make me go away. Make note of this day. For I will stand alone. Plagued by separation and pain. We must use our brain. Some fighting for money and fame. Is it really theirs to acclaim? Meditation swap to different range. Like the blood that runs through my vein. It's hard to practice in the race where there's a haste to make ends meet. I will stand alone. Short to reach though you don't say. Opportunities we create, emphasizing I'm the greatest. Put your cape on and play it straight, yes, yeah. Make note of this day. Make note of this day. I say, yeah, yeah. Make note of this day. Forevermore. Oh yeah, oh yeah. We are here to stay. No powers or principalities will never make me go away. Some set a fix on them politics for foolish cause. We burn them walls. So Rasta man break down the walls of Babylon and give an applause for them and those who really chose to fight and rose for a worthy cause. Making my people praise the gods that are so false. I say, yeah, make note of this day. Make note of this day. I say, yeah, yeah, make note of this day. For I will stand alone now. Study history of black people, so driven from light figures. But will we are the builders of our land. Understand, and I will stand for love, and love alone will propagate. And some of them, that definitely here to break our inspiration and our creative ways. And I say, make note of this day. Forevermore, I say, we are here to stay. And no powers or principalities will never let me go away.
Yeah, Mr. Asherman again. Weeping in the morning, weeping in the morning. When I'm in a nation of things, anytime you stop the things that you're doing, Rastaman I sing. Weeping in the morning, weeping in the morning. When I'm in a nation of things, anytime you stop the things that you're doing, Rastaman I sing. In a Babylon system, yes, the people just a live on a limb. Boy, just through Babylon and feeding the people lost and corrupt in sin. Yeah, must be a day of reckoning when Jah come to cleanse everything. Boy, if all this time you never been listening, well, Jah will lick off a thunderball.
And like a thief in the morning, you woulda hear when enough people are ball. Hey, weeping and mourning, weeping and mourning. We don't get a notching of things. Anytime you stop the things that you do, we can stop and I sing. Weeping and a mourning, weeping and a mourning. We don't get a notching of things. Anytime you stop the things that you do, we can stop and I sing. Say put up your hand, say put up your hand. This will confirm you read Revelation, and you know certain type of destruction. In the street, blood they run like River Jordan. On the mountain, but this cats are 1-1. Fowls of the air with the all fly down, just to feast on the body of man. For there's none to escape the judgment. And when we sing again, weeping in the morning, weeping in the morning. We don't get a notching of things. Anytime you stop the things that you do in the rest of man, I sing. Weeping in the morning, weeping in the morning. We don't get a notching of things. Anytime you stop the things that you do in the rest of man, I sing. Enough man think that them hiding, but Jah upside beyond the things you seen. Listen, Mr. Ash, I'm going to give you
what me playing the good Irie reggae music every day. Come rain, come shine, we'll be rocking reggae music right on time. Come what me, we play the reggae music any day. We listen to this music every day. Right, play the music every day. Play the reggae music every day. Good reggae music every day. In unity we feel a positivity, celebrate this liberty. In the name of the Holy Trinity, I is you and me. Holy Trinity, I know you feel it. Come rain, come shine, we'll be rocking reggae music anytime. Come what me playing the good Irie reggae music every day. Come rain, come shine, we'll be rocking reggae music right on time. Come what me, we play the reggae music any day. This kind of music you can play every day. Play the music every day. This the kind of music you can play every day. Most Irish music. Say every day we play this positive music, and I know you can't refuse it once you hear. All your fears can be faced. You will get put to the test, so you better give it your best. So let me tell you, it really doesn't matter how you wanna dress. You better nice up the dance, it ain't no beauty contest. No, don't care what they say. Come on, me. Yeah. In a the dance we pass the positive vibe, but people are bouncing with passion. In here we not follow no fashion. We free, we just follow our heart with the love of the Most High. Come rain, come shine, we'll be rocking reggae music anytime. Come what me playing the good Irie reggae music every day. Come rain, come shine, we'll be rocking reggae music right on time. Come what me, we play the reggae music any day. It's the kind of music that I play every day. Right. Play the music every day. I will keep on listening to this reggae music any day. Good reggae music every day. In unity we feel a positivity, celebrate this liberty. In the name of the Holy Trinity, I is you and me. Holy Trinity.